Yes, it is a beautiful day, and we have a bunch of little things to take care of.
What a beautiful day. You know, I've really been blessed. I've had the distinct honor of sharing my life with some very wonderful people, amazing people. So one of the other things that I need to do is order in some oil. I think it's 13.5 quarts synthetic for our tow vehicle, plus a filter for that, and another 3.5 quarts of oil for our generator.
Chris needs to put the new tab on our license plate.
Guess what I gotta put on? I got mud on my walls.
The handrails for the RV's interior steps have broken again. Oh, par for the course. So, how do you say it's spring without saying it's spring? The gym is empty this time of year. Beautiful flowers and weather.
You know, I've really been blessed. I've had the distinct honor of sharing my life with some very wonderful people, amazing people, friends, co-workers, family, physicians, just amazing. I've had a little part in creating a couple of the most wonderful people in the world. One of those people is Kurt. He's been something else. When I've been sick, he's been there to be beside me. Now, that's not to say there aren't other people that have. My wife has just been amazing, Shelley. She's really stepped up and done everything in the world possible she can to see to my health, and she does every day. But Kurt also looks after his family as well. He calls Shelley on special mom's holidays and tells her how much he misses her. His girlfriend, Katie, is the same way. She's amazing, too. The two of them have so much fun and laugh and enjoyment. It's just such a pleasure to be around them. I miss them when they're not here. I look forward to always seeing them again. I know they have their lives that they have to deal with, and I can't be selfish. Although I'd kind of like to, sometimes. Shelley's been there every second that I've needed. She's the one that hands me the pill with the scornful look, like, are you trying not to take it, or did you just forget? But she doesn't say anything. She just makes sure that it's done and that I'm looked after. The physicians, they call on a personal level. They treat me like one of the gang, part of their family. And we have a good time bantering back and forth. It's tougher when you don't feel good to live the kind of lifestyle that we're living right now. But it's amazing either way. We're gonna continue this as long as we can. I'm feeling better every day, but there are still days that things just don't work. I feel like everything is going the way it should go. I know there's a higher power that's taking care of me as well. I am really looking forward to getting back out and traveling and getting to meet some more of you all. This is such a big, wonderful, beautiful world. And I can't wait to see everybody that's in it and all these fantastic places that have been created just for us. All of us. So one of the other things that I need to do is order in some oil. I think it's 13.5 quarts synthetic for our tow vehicle. Plus a filter for that, and another 3.5 quarts of oil for our generator, and a filter for that as well. Well, we'll get it taken care of. It's just going to take some time to get it here. We're still working on the hats. They're coming along really well. I'm amazed at the outpouring you guys have given us on online about your interest in them. And so bit by bit things are coming together for us. Grizz enjoys his walks every morning, and so do I. So pretty out, so nice and comfortable. This is a beautiful place. Now we have another thing or two that we've got to take care of, and that's the handrail supports on our 390RK. They're these thin, tiny, little bitty, scrawny looking things that kind of are tucked in out of the way, and you know they were designed to fail. So we're going through our third set of them now. We're not fat people. Did I say that right? We're not large people. And even a little bit of weight on them and they'll fracture, and then you have to replace them. So we've ordered some in. They're headed over to Home Depot sometime today. I'll pick them up and bring them back, and I'll show you guys what they are and put them on. It's the little things that keep you busy all the time on an RV, and it's the same way at home. You can let it get ahead of you, or you can stay ahead of it. And we're working real hard on staying ahead of everything. Less to do later on if we have
to. We ordered heavy-duty ones this time. Hope they last a while.
Already got blood on the walls.
Oh, par for the course.
Why won't you come back home? I sleep with the lights on dim. Won't you come back home again?
Guess what I gotta put on?
Stars fell out, the moon turned gray. The wind keeps whispering your name my way. I counted the hours, I folded the time.
Patrons, thank you for the great feedback on the hats, and subscribers as well. I think this is becoming Chris's new full-time job.
They say you are doing fine. I smile and hold my breath and count to 10. Wish I could say the same. Wish I could say the same. But I was sleeping with the light on dim. The dark feels heavier without you in. A different chorus cries your name.
Thank you all for stopping by to share your Sunday afternoons with us here on OLT.
Won't you come?
What a great community we have growing on this channel. See you next week.
Remember I said she takes care of everything? Yep. Never lets me forget, even though I do.